To support Europe's commitment to more sustainable production processes, the LIPES project is on a mission to develop biomaterials for the production of greener and healthier products. The LIPES project starts with the collection of rapeseed oil lipids. Traditionally, lipids are broken down into fatty acids and glycerol by using water at excessive heat and pressure. The LIPES project is unique as it uses enzymes as biological catalysts that enable the breakdown of lipids into fatty acids with less heat and pressure. Fatty acids are then purified and converted further to produce healthier food additives and emulsifiers, cosmetics, and industrial products such as biomaterials, lubricants, and polymers. Under the current method, the project saves at least 45% of water, 70% of enzymes, and 80% of energy when compared with conventional methods. In this project, scientific research is key to ensure that the production of biomaterials is optimal.
So this process is really going to be different from the current processes because it uses a biotechnological approach versus a chemical approach that is used currently. So the LIPES project intends to deliver a couple of key benefits. First of all, to increase the competitiveness of the EU oleochemical industry, and secondly, to deliver high-quality products, both for food applications with low trans fatty acids and some materials with a greener environmental profile. This project is going to be the result of a collaboration between many partners, STC Engineering for the design of the process, Technical University Berlin for its optimization, Oleon for the setup of the demo, a biocatalyst that is going to supply the enzyme that will be used in the process, and finally DSM and Oleon that are going to be marketing and producing the end products.
The LIPES project is a European initiative to move towards greener technology. By using enzymes as catalysts, we can reduce the pressure and the temperature of the process compared to conventional methods. Conventional processes need 200 to 300 degrees Celsius at 4 to 5 bars, while enzymatic processes can run at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius at atmospheric pressure. Here in our lab in Technical University of Berlin, we conduct experiments to determine the optimum operating conditions. We also tested the system at different scales from test tube reactors to stirred tank reactors so that we can see the scalability of the process. We aim to replicate the same results that we get from our laboratory scale into the pilot scale.
The LIPES project led to the construction of a pilot plant located in Compiègne near Paris. This plant represents the next step in scaling up the project to produce greener materials.
Now Oleon is coordinating the LIPES project in order to scale up the process we have at lab scale to a pilot and a demo plant scale. At the moment, we optimize the operating conditions in tube and we are running a pilot scale equipment in the net. As this is an enzymatic process, we need to carefully monitor the conditions of operation of the enzyme and to maintain its stability as far as we can. So the process is environmentally friendly as it is performed at atmospheric pressure and mild temperature. Thanks to that, we expect to reduce energy and water consumption. Energy by more than 80% and water by more than 50%. This is an innovative project which will bring to the oil industry greener and we expect less expensive products.
LIPES relies on the efforts of many European partners that offer their expertise in engineering, research and marketing. This results in many benefits for European consumers down the line.
Benefits for the European consumer is that food products are going to be safer, cosmetics are going to be more natural, and materials are clearly going to be greener. So there are three elements that really make this project more sustainable: the reduction of energy consumption, the reduction of waste, and the reduction of processing costs. So over the next 10 years, the technology is going to be extended, both at Oleon and DSM. Then we also expect this technology to be implemented to other fatty acid producers by way of licensing. and this will maximize the impact of the funding that will have been received from the bio-based industries joint undertaking. And finally, it's expected that by year 2026, the total benefits generated by the LIPES project will reach a 16-fold increase compared to the initial investments.
From rapeseed fields in France to laboratories in Germany, the LIPES project demonstrates how a strong European partnership can help transform natural raw materials into greener everyday products. As a leading sustainable project in Europe, it strengthens the competitiveness of the oleochemical industry, supports a production process requiring less resources, and delivers high-quality products.